Welcome! By the end of this lesson, you'll have all knowledge how to run campaign just like this awesome campaigns directly from Woodpecker. So let's just have a look. Maybe you're interested in over 400 leads from just one campaign, or maybe over 54% of positive reply rate, or a campaign that almost all prospects replied to. Those are examples from our agency clients sent just recently. To get this level of results, you need to do many stuffs right. So for example, you need to match your value proposition. You need to take care of your infrastructure, deliverability, your copy, the whole sequence, and many more than that. So if you want to get there and learn with me how to use Woodpecker and how to get this type of results, just stay along the lesson and I will share all insights that we have collected since 2015. I have been at Woodpecker and related to cold emailing for over 8 years, and well, I started as a junior supporter, then through different departments, ultimately I reached out the position of CEO, so I had a chance to see many changes in cold outbound. And since 2015, there was a lot of stuff going on. So like everything that worked in 2015 or 2020 is not the case now. So if you want to learn how to do modern outbound, I'm here to help. Woodpecker since 2015 has helped thousands of agencies, starting from one-man army small agencies up to agencies that serve over 400 active customers. Since 2019, Woodpecker customers generated over 18 million replies. Some of our biggest agencies generated over 400,000 leads. So think about it, 400,000 leads. And the way Woodpecker grew was always along with its agency clients. So we know how to serve for small agencies, but also for large-scale massive outbound. Interesting fact, one of our agencies sent over 36 million emails a month, and on that month they generated over 10,000 replies. Now I invite you to follow me along the way and I will show you step by step how to get these type of results. So I believe one day you can actually have a campaign that gives you 1,200 leads, just like this one. So see you in the next lesson.